guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best aquarium filter that are available on the market for their true quality.
I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Starting at number 5, we have the Tetra Whisper Internal Aquarium Power Filter. It is time to talk about our pick for the best price with the Tetra Whisper in-tank filter. Tetra Whisper in-tank filter comes in 5 different sizes that offer capacities ranging from 3 gallons up to 40 gallons. It uses filter cartridges with sizes that depend on the gallon capacity. However, the cartridges adjust easily to high or low water levels. This external fish tank filter comes with a 2-in-1 filter feature. The cartridge is designed to trap and catch debris as well as fish waste, while an ultra-activated carbon feature helps to get rid of any odor that may be present. It also helps to eliminate discoloration that may be as a result of the waste and debris. Tetra Whisper in-tank filter comes in a design that stands vertically and, as a result, helps to save a lot of space. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Penplax Cascade Hang-On Aquarium Filter. Penplax makes another entry onto our list, but this time with the Penplax Cascade Hang-On Aquarium Filter. This fish tank water filter comes in 6 different sizes to choose from. Designed to be a hand-on aquarium filter, the Penplax Cascade Hang-On Aquarium Filter cleans quietly and delivers a maximum of 300 gallons per hour capacity of crystal clear water for your pet fish. It has a minimum capacity of 20 gallons per hour. Penplax Cascade Hang-On Aquarium Filter features the revolutionary Biofalls quad filtration system that comes with anaerobic bacteria. This helps to remove nitrate and additional ammonia in order to provide the maximum generation of oxygen. Penplax Cascade Hang-On Aquarium Filter also features activated carbon cartridge that helps to get rid of any odor from the tank. At number 3, we have the Hager Aquarium Double Sponge Filter. Moving on, we have the Hager Aquarium Double Sponge Filter. This aquarium sponge filter comes with 2 spare sponges, 1 bag of bioceramic media balls, and a submersible foam filter that filters the aquarium without any noise. Hager Aquarium Double Sponge Filter can be used for both freshwater and saltwater fish tanks. This tank filter is available in different sizes to choose from. It comes with a maximum capacity of 55 gallons per hour and offers multi-filtration functions. For example, it combines biofiltration, oxygenation, as well as physical filtration all in one. The sponge filter also comes with media balls which do not take up extra room. The 2 spare sponges are very easy to replace. Plus, all parts of the Hager Aquarium Double Sponge Filter are detachable. This makes it very easy to use and clean. At number 2, we have the Lee's Undergravel Filter. If you are looking for the best undergravel filter, then Lee's 40/55 Premium Undergravel Filter is an excellent choice to have. Plus, it is very easy on any budget. Lee's 40/55 Premium Undergravel Filter comes in various plate sizes. The larger plate sizes have the advantage of reducing the number of plates you will need. Lee's 40/55 Premium Undergravel Filter also features the strength of UGF plates. This is one of the reasons why this filter is preferred by a lot of saltwater aquarists. Lee's 40/55 Premium Undergravel Filter provides for the growth of billions of beneficial bacteria to detoxify the water in a natural way. Plus, the filter circulates water flow through the gravel bed. This helps to filter the water naturally and also helps to remove ammonia. Lee's 40/55 Premium Undergravel Filter can be used with power filters to maximize the quality of the water. And finally, at number 1, we have the Azu Aquarium Filter. And our last but definitely not least entry is the Azu Mignon Filter 60. Perhaps you are looking for a filter that has a rather small and compact design. If that is the case, then you may be looking for the Azu Mignon Filter 60. Azu Mignon Filter 60's compact design makes it very easy to use as well as maintain. It features an inlet strainer sponge with a replaceable filter cartridge for easy maintenance. It also comes with an adjustable flow control dial that allows you to maintain high levels of dissolved oxygen. A Zoom-In Filter 60 also features a patented automatic water recovery that ensures startup after a power outage. A Zoom-In Filter 60 is very easy to use. All you need to do after setting it up is to fill the chamber with water. Plus, this product comes with a 3-year warranty.
Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon